Welcome to 11, our CDG home of the Citizen Army Builders.
The very important persons who are here this morning. Let me, of course, greet Colonel Isidro Ugab, the commander of the 2202nd Red Reserve Infantry Brigade. And of course, at the same time, our congressman here. Sir. We also have here General Macario, the from the Anti-Terrorism Council Program Management Center. Of course, a member of the GPH MNF Peace Panel. So and of course, let me again greet also Jojo Caberto, the group commander of 11th RCDG, who introduced me. Colonel Sumagaysay, sir, the head of the PSSO of Davao City. We also have here Colonel Violan, the deputy commander of the 2201st Red Reserve Infantry Brigade. He's a fellow alumni of the Special Intelligence Training School uh, for being the only few reservists who are graduates of the intelligence officer course, no? 6 ESAL. So, sir, happy to see you again. We also have here Colonel Moy Yusuf Hassan, the Deputy Commander of Task Force Colonel Revilla of the Joint Special Operations Group. Command ko to at Command. Of course, the battalion commanders of the Line Reserve Infantry battalions here. We have here Colonel Rivermonte and Colonel Trinidad. Of course, the other acting battalion commanders here. The stakeholders of the 11th RCDG and of course the fellow government employees who are present here, the reservists is part of our region. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. It is of course my distinct honor to join you in the celebration of the 45th National Reservist Week, an event that highlights the strength and dedication of our reserve force in building a better and stronger nation. As we culminate this week-long celebration, I would like to extend my deepest appreciation to our reserve force. You are an integral part of our nation's defense and, of course, always ready to serve and respond, whether in times of conflict, disaster, or peacekeeping efforts. Your service goes beyond the call of duty of each and every one of you. This celebration is a testament to the patriotism and volunteerism of our reservists. You have consistently demonstrated your dedication through your contributions in combat support, disaster response, and community service. The Armed Forces of the Philippines recognizes your essential role as a force multipliers, helping ensure the success of our missions and contributing significantly to the defense in depth and of course thereby stability and peace of our nation. I also commend the leadership, the 11th RCDG, and all those who organized this meaningful event. Your dedication to making this culmination ceremony and the activities throughout the week a success reflects the strength of cooperation within the AFP and its partners. The thing, the tag ng Laang Kawal para sa Bagong Pilipinas speaks to the resilience and adaptability of our reservists who are crucial to the vision of a new and stronger Philippines. Once again, my heartfelt gratitude to all of our reservists. Your unwavering service and dedication are not only commendable but of course inspiring. You are our true partners in building a bagong Pilipinas, a nation of resilience, unity, and of course, progress. Yes, sir. Mabuhay ang ating mga naangkawal, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas, and of course, I'm very glad to be invited in your activity here this morning, Jojo, and of course, researchers. Maraming salamat sa pag-imbita sa akin ngayong umaga. I wish you all good luck as we, of course, as you well know, no? We are slowly transitioning to territorial defense operations, no, yung Armed Forces of the Philippines. No? So, right now, we are now feeling the impact of this transition. No? Especially here in the Davao region, wherein yung ating counterinsurgency operations is sabi nating wrapping up. No? Kahapon, we attended the joint AFP-PNP Intelligence Committee meeting. No? So, based on the assessment of our law enforcement intelligence committee, intelligence agencies, slowly we are wrapping up yung ating counterintelligence or internal security operations dito sa Davao region, of course, surrounding areas. So, palakpakan natin yung ating stakeholders. With that, napakaganda yun because, of course, of our transition to territorial defense operations, we will be freeing up, no, forces, no, lalo na sa AFP, para mag-focus sa territorial defense. No? So, of course, gano'n rin sa ating law enforcement agencies, lalo sa police, no, na instead na may counting effort sila sa counterinsurgency, dahan-dahan na ma-free up yung kanilang effort and then focus on law enforcement, of course, peace building. So with that, as the, of course, as the Assistant Division Commander for of 10th ID for Reservist and Retired Affairs, we're very glad that with you here, yung mga ating mga reservists and of course stakeholders, we will be, mapapabilis natin yung pag-wrap up, no? Of course, yung pag-tapos dito ating counter-insurgency operations, not only here in Davao region, but of course dito sa ating part ng Surigao, Negusal del Sur, Bukidnon, and of course North Cotabato and Sarangani provinces. So with that, gentlemen, ladies, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat and thank you.
Thank you very much, Colonel Bautista.